Hello, erudites! Welcome to the Next Level Catch-Ups 2.0. I'm Elgin Matthew D. Soliva, your tutor, and we're going to discuss Lesson 7B, Resistors in Parallel. What is a parallel connection? A parallel connection is a way of joining components so that they are connected along multiple paths, unlike a series circuit where everything follows a single loop. So, ang parallel connection daw ay pwede magkaroon ng iba't ibang paths na pagdaluyan ng kuryente. Unlike a series connection na isang loop lang. So, isa lang yung dadaanan talaga. So, like this one, pwedeng dalawa yung daanan ng kuryente niya. So, unlike sa series nga na katulad sa Christmas light sa series, kapag naputol ito, wala na. Pero ito, kahit maputol to, pwede pa rin siya magtuloy-tuloy. For reference, ganito ang series and parallel. So, ang series, yan, isang buo yan, isang diretsong ganyan. Yan, ganyan lang. Pero dito, pwedeng mahiwalay. Ganyan ang parallel. Resistor in a parallel connection. Resistors are said to be connected together in parallel when both of their terminals are respectively connected to each terminal of the other resistors, or their terminals are said to be directly connected to the terminals of the supply voltage. The voltage drop across all of the resistors in a parallel resistive network is the same. Then, the resistors in parallel have a common voltage across them. And this is true for all the parallel connected elements. So in layman's term, ang resistors daw kapag connected ang mga terminal niya sa isang linya lang, ito ay considered as parallel connection. Katulad nga nito na lahat ng paa or yung terminal ng resistors is nasa isang linya lang. So katulad ng example natin kanina, nasa isang linya siya. Compared sa series, na paikot ang connection niya. So sa second statement naman, in layman's term, ang nare-receive ng kada resistor na voltage ay pare-parehas lang. Dahil isa nga lang yung dinaanan nila. So, isang linya lang din naman yan. So, ang logic doon, pare-parehas lang din yung matatanggap per resistor. So, pare-parehas lang yung voltage niya. Tandaan po yan. For our example problems, example problem number 1, what is the equivalent resistance of 3 resistors 5, 8, and 10 ohms when they are connected in parallel? And what currents will be delivered from a 12-volt battery for each resistance with this arrangement? So para makompute natin ang total resistance ng mga resistors natin is kailangan natin ng formula nito. 1 over total resistance equals 1 over resistance 1 plus 1 over resistance 2 plus 1 over resistance 3. So, unlike sa series connection na pag-a-addin mo lang sila, sa parallel hindi. So, kailangan nyo pang i-divide muna sa 1. So, i-substitute natin sa given which is 5 ohms, 8 ohms, and 10 ohms. So, 1 over 5 ohms plus 1 over 8 ohms plus 1 over 10 ohms. And dahil meron pa siyang 1 dito, kailangan uli natin siyang i-fraction uli sa 1. So, i-input na lang po natin yan sa scientific calculator natin, and ang makukuha po natin is 2.35 ohms. Yun na po ang sagot sa letter A natin. So, tandaan lang po natin ang formula lagi. For letter B, what is the currents will be delivered from a 12-volt battery for each resistance with this arrangement? So, from our Ohm's law sa ating first lesson, na diniscuss ni Daniel, ito lang din po yon. Current equals voltage over resistance. So, i-substitute lang po uli natin yung mga given kada resistor. So, dahil isa lang nga lagi yung voltage sa parallel connection, so pare-parehas lang po yung voltage niya. So, 12 volts lahat. So, 12 volts over 5 ohms equals 2.4 amps. 12 volts over 8 ohms equals 1.5 amps. 12 volts over 10 ohms equals 1.2 amps. So, yan na po ang sagot sa letter B natin. For example, problem number 2. Two potentiometers of resistances 10.5 ohms and 3.5 ohms are connected in parallel and joined to a 12-volt battery. There is a current of 1.11 amps in the 10.50 resistor. Determine A, the current in the 3.5 ohm resistor, and letter B, the voltage across the 10.5 ohms resistance. So to solve for our letter A, ang formula na gagamitin natin is yung formula na gamit natin kanina. And this is from the Ohm's law also. So, current equals voltage over resistance. So, 12 volts, given 12 volts divided by 3.5 ohms equals 3.43 amperes. So, yan na po ang current sa ating 3.5 ohm resistor. For letter B, determine the voltage across the 10.5 ohm resistance. The answer is the voltage drop across all of the resistors in a parallel resistive networks is the same. So technically, 12 volts ang sagot. Dahil, as I've said earlier, na pare-parehas lang ang nare-receive ng resistor na voltage no matter what, kung ano man ang value nila. So our final answers is for letter A, 3.43 amperes, and for letter B, 12 volts. Thank you again, erudites, for listening to me. Again, I am Elgin Matthew D. Soliva, your tutor for lesson 7B. Good luck and let's ace this examination with integrity and confidence.